I'm totally inspired by his fluency, and also we must learn so many things from him, that where there is a will there is a way. So guys, जहाँ सोच जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. Don't make excuse that okay I can't learn because I'm not like this, I don't have this, I don't have that. But Rohit, he he has proved that no, there is a will, where there is a will there is a way. So guys, today I am going to tell you, of course, if you have any dream, just follow that dream, believe in you. Of course, sooner or later. Hello guys, today I am going to tell you how to practice in English. So today I am going to show you one news reporting, so that you can also get to know how to practice being alone. So let's start guys. So hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Well, there is breaking news coming from Lucknow, that a boy who lives in Banthra village speaks English fluently. For further detail, I am going to connect with our correspondent, Mr. Subham. Mr. Subham, can you hear me? Yes, Gyanan, I can hear you. And right now, I am at the place where that boy is grazing buffaloes. I am also astonished hearing this. How come a villager who never went to school, who never learned this language, however, he speaks English fluently, and right now he is grazing buffaloes or with his friends. Now I am going to show that boy. So, what is your name? Yes, my name is Rohit. And sir, of course, here I am going to tell you how I have learned this language in village area. Actually, the thing is that 2 years ago, I didn't know how to speak in English. Actually, I was grazing buffaloes, I was doing home related work, and in my field, I didn't have time. But uh, I wanted to learn this language, but my father, he didn't send me school, and he asked me not to go to school, not to study, just go to field and work. Then I thought, okay, I will not study. But I had a grammar book, and whenever I went to graze buffaloes, whenever I went to my farm to work, I carried that grammar book, and I learned so many things in the field and while grazing buffaloes. And just because of grazing buffaloes, I'm here, I'm speaking in English. And I'm also going to tell those people who want to speak this language, but they are craving to learn, they don't know how to learn because they don't have any partner to practice, they don't have anyone to guide them. But yes, in learning English is quite easy. Sir, can you see me? I'm a blazer, however I can speak English fluently. How? Without going to college, without going to school, without going to institute, without any partner, without any teacher. I have learned English by myself. Yeah, but the difficult thing is that you have to practice. Yes, you can learn grammar within 1 month. Guys, focus on grammar only on 1 month, and then you have to start speaking by yourself. See, I did this. I didn't get time when I was learning English. I got only 10 minutes, 20 minutes. I was alone. I was crying that how can I learn English? I can't learn English. I also crying. Sometimes I give up that no, I can't learn English. But no, I didn't give up. And I made up my mind that one day I will speak English, no matter whether I am in the field in village. But yes, I will learn English. And gradually over the time I started improving. I started seeing, I started like practicing by myself. I didn't say that okay, I didn't make excuses. Guys, you, most of people make excuses that oh, I don't have environment, I don't have teacher, I don't have any kind of thing, how can I become fluent English? Guys, this is a language. See guys, why am I able to speak English? Why am I able to speak English? Do you think that I'm from any English school, or you think that I have an environment to practice? No, I have learned English by myself. So you can also do, just do one thing, whatever you know in grammar, just practice. Guys, you are enough, you are alone, but yes, you are enough to practice, speak whatever you know. Of course you will, sooner or later you are going to be fluent in English. And of course you have social media. If you have any doubt, you can go and help social media, of course guys. So that is how I have learned English, and right now I am grazing buffaloes. And even after learning English, guys, let me tell you one more thing. So sir, let me tell you one more thing. Now I am not only speaking this language, also I am teaching this language to so many students. So I have achieved so many things. Earlier people didn't respect me. They used to humiliate me, saying that you are villager, you are uneducated. They didn't talk to me well. Now my villager, and even out of my village, people, they come to meet me that, oh, you are such a great speaker in English. How did you learn? I also want to learn. So I also guide them, guys. So just because of my this dream, my consistency, I'm here, and right now I'm speaking in English in front of you without hesitation, without any shyness, and without any fear. So you, anyone can become fluent in English, guys. Thank you so much. So Gyanen, as you saw, I was talking to Rohit and he spoke English absolutely out and out fabulous. His English is totally talk of the town. He spoke as if he is a native speaker, and I'm totally shocked. How can he become fluent English being in village area? Even he is grazing buffalo. He didn't like go to school. He didn't find any teacher for him, and he has become fluent in English being alone in his field. It's kind of like so much motivation we can take from him. I'm totally inspired by his fluency, and also we must learn so many things from him, that if you like if you have dream to complete, of course guys, there is a hearsay to tell that if where there is a will there is a way. So guys, जहाँ सोच जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. Don't make excuse that okay, I can't learn because I'm not like this, I don't have this, I don't have that. But Rohit, he he has proved that no, there is a will. Where there is a will there is a way. So guys, today I am going to tell you, of course, if you have any dream, just follow that dream, believe in you. Of course, sooner or later you are also going to get famous. Thank you so much. uh, from Thank you so much. I am Rohit. I am Subham with camera person Ankit from English with Village Vlog. Thank you. Thank you so much, Subham, for giving us further detail. I am going to tell you guys. See, today I told you how to practice in English. So if you know little bit grammar, use this grammar in your speaking, guys. If you speak, then you can become fluent in English. Otherwise, watch this video, that video, do this, do that, make excuse. Nothing can happen. So guys, it's better speak, speak, speak. Thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye.